How to fix TikTok unable to authorize on iPhone. If you're facing the unable to authorize error on TikTok, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through easy solutions to fix this issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. You can also restart your router or turn on and off airplane mode to refresh the connection. Now let's move on to our next step. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches. So press and hold the power button plus volume down button. Slide to power off and wait a few seconds. Turn your iPhone back on and try logging into TikTok again. Next, let's clear TikTok cache. Open TikTok and simply go to your profile. Tap on the three line menu and go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on free up space. Simply tap on clear cache. Likewise, tap on clear or delete downloads. Now let's move on to our last step. Simply go to App Store and search for TikTok. If there's an update available, simply update it. After updating, try authorizing your login again. If nothing works, try reinstalling TikTok. And that's it. That's how you fix the unable to authorize error on TikTok.